Check in, my beautiful people, man. Welcome back to Outer TV. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So yeah, today video I've been watching the weather from morning, and right now I'm getting a bit hungry, and I decided that I can't wait anymore to find out if it's gonna rain or not. I wanted to do some jerk pork today, but due to the sky being overcast from morning, I couldn't get to light up the grill. You see me? And right now it's like maybe about 1-2 o'clock somewhere there, and right now look at the sky. It is still somewhat overcast, so I am just not going to run the risk. So guess what I'm going to do now? I just have to just switch up the menu a bit. I'll still be having pork, but it will not be jerk pork. See, so I went to the butcher store the other day. Let me get some nice cuts of pork, guys. Look at this. Nice, cut them in manageable size for the grill. Yeah, but unfortunately, I still have a few pieces remaining in the fridge. I think this is not even half of the amount that I purchased. So guess what we're going? One of these days, I will still sure to drop that jerk pork video. So today, what I'm gonna run right now is just some basic rice and peas and some stew pork, some brown stew pork with some broad bean. Maybe me drop a few spinners in it, maybe, depending how I'm feeling at the time when the pot land. Yeah. So big up on yourself. What I'm gonna do right now is just wash down the pork, get some seasoning on it, and get it nice and tasty. And then yes, yeah man. So you don't know, when I left out the famous Instapot, work with the Instapot for a bit for the pork, and then when I get it partially cooked, maybe about 75-80% of the way, I'll remove it from the Instapot, finish it on the stove, and then I'll just run my rice and peas over the same Instapot, because it's a one pot show. See? You do rice, you do high pressure, you do all of that. Yeah, so I prefer to cook rice in it because I can just throw the rice in it and go do something else. See? So yeah man, I prefer to do rice in this thing. But anyway, big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning in to Outer TV. I'll keep you guys posted. Bye. Alright, so people, so I'm going to know wet rub has been added along with the dry rub, some pimento seed, scotch bonnet, scallion, thyme, onion. Yeah man, you name it. You know, like white meat a Jamaican, or rather dark meat. So if it's brown stew, make sure say the meat is dark. If a curry, make sure say the curry standard is it. So I'm going well seasoned. I'm not gonna make this marinade. I'm just gonna hot the Instapot right now with a little bit of oil, and then I'm just gonna put this in there and make it stir fry for a bit, and then I'll add a bit of water, close it down, and give it about 20 minutes. Yeah man, about 20 minutes. I'm not sure if this pork is tender or if something with whole, there was some whole hog. Yeah man, so like we do badness. Alright, so this Instapot has been alright people, so see what I'm going. Nice, I love the color. Now all I have to do is just add some water to this and let it pressure for 120 minutes, and then I'll come and check on it. See it? So stay tuned man and watch what I go and see it. Alright, so while that is being pressured, I just get some water on my peas and smash a few garlic. Showing that we already have some scallion and thyme for your rice and peas. I think I have ginger somewhere. Yeah man, we still have a bag with some ginger in it. People, ginger is a real flavor enhancer in rice and peas. So make sure say on the rice and peas pot well seasoned. And of course I have more of the pimento, the blended pimento or blended allspice, whichever one you want to call it. I have more of that leaf, so as soon as I put on the pot, then I can season up the rice and peas. Everything is just at my fingertips and prepped. So basically the rest is just 1, 2, 3. All I need right now is for these 20 minutes to pass, and then I can move on with the rest of cooking. So big up on yourself. Thanks for staying tuned. So showing what I go on saying. Yeah, and if you guys are noticing, I did try to do a bit of cleaning in here because due to the construction we are going and I can't take a mess. I cleaned out a bit of the dust and the dirt, mop out and thing, and to try and contain some of the dirt on a level, I spread a large piece of cardboard on the floor, and hopefully that can try to contain some of the dust and prevent my black tile from getting further damages, because yeah, it is what it is. You have to protect your investment. Anyway, big up on yourself. Thanks for staying tuned. So we'll go on our next update again. See you. Check in again, my beautiful people, man. So get you guys up to date now, up to speed, and we'll go on with the stew pork. So I've just removed the pork from slow cooker, added it to a pot. I've added now the peas to it. The peas go on for sure 25 minutes. Now guys, I've also went ahead and add a little bit of ketchup to thicken the gravy a bit. As you guys can see right now, the skin is super soft. You see it, which is exactly what we want. See it? Yeah. So just a little bit of ketchup. I'm just gonna let it simmer for the next 5 minutes, and then I will go in with the broad beans. Seeing, no, I'm not gonna be bothering with the I won't bother to put make any spinners, which is some small little dumplings for you guys out there that don't know what spinners is. Yeah, now I'm bother going with no spinners. So just gonna let this simmer for a bit, get a little bit more thicker at low flames, and then I will be adding the broad bean. So that is that. Big up on yourself. Alright, so check in again, my beautiful people. Watch what I go on again, you know. See what I go on there. Yeah man, the pork sauce or the gravy has been reduced quite a bit, and I did went ahead and add a little bit of sweet pepper to this and some tomato. So now let me just go in with the broad bean. I got beans and bologna. Yeah man, you know nothing more than this, man. This is all we need. Yeah, so guess what I'm gonna know. Go give this maybe a next minute or two. Let it just get that sauce up in the beans and everything, you know. Yeah, man. And then we're gonna churn it out. Then it's ready to be eaten. We're still waiting on the peas. See that? Nice and thick grilled people. What more can you ask for? Yeah, man. So stay tuned again. We'll wait for the rice and peas before we dish out some of this. And we'll show you what I'm going. That one I go mad.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you.